Because thrift shops are just too unaffordable now, I'm once again scrolling the Karrot app to see if I can find some rockin' Refashionista materials, and I did, so let's go wait for the bus. That is, of course, late, and then I'm on the bus with a lovely sunburn, and let's see the awesome items that I got. So I have washed everything and sorted everything, and it's way more than just 9 tops. As you can see, it actually worked out to being 22 tops and 2 bottoms. So you know what? Let's just go through everything, and I'll tell you my Refashionista plans for it. So seriously, this was an amazing steal of a deal because I got all of these things, so 24 items for $20, and just absolutely awesome. Anyways, so I really love crochet, but I can't crochet to save my life. I can't do anything past a little chain stitch. So if anyone has any tips or tricks, I would be more than happy to try to learn. But how adorable are these little crochet tops? They are so cute. And of course, because I have a generous chesticle area here, some of these are not gonna fit me at all, but some of them absolutely will, which is awesome. But I have a very cool idea with like these ones that they're like all the same, but different colors. And they're all very kind of sorbet ice cream pastel-y colors, which I just love so much. These ones as well are pretty much all very similar style, but different colors. So I'm definitely going to be cutting them up and putting them all back together in a new and fancy way. Look at those colors. That is just so gorgeous. And what else did I get here? Oh yeah, these really awesome crocheted shorts. So I'm definitely going to be pairing these with some of these here and creating a romper. And I think that tutorial is going to be coming up very soon. I also got a pair of incredibly super soft sweatpants. So I mean, who doesn't love just lounging around in sweatpants? But it's a bit too hot to wear these right now. And these here, a couple of very cute little, I don't know, tank toppy things. I will for sure be wearing these under things though, because they are very stretchy, but they're also very, what's the word I'm looking for? Very showy. Again, these are very comfortable and definitely for going under things. What else? Oh, right. How gorgeous are these little bralettes? And a couple of these don't actually fit me. I don't have a hope of getting my girls into them, but hopefully I will be able to find somebody else who would like to have a couple of these and wear them. I'm not really sure, but they are very pretty. And I think, you know, we got to go on here to the kind of funny ones here. These again are crocheted, but this is like, you know, the tie kind, and it does actually fit me, but this is not something I would wear because again, it's totally backless. And even though I have tried those sticky bras, no. I got too much weight going on here. They never hold for me. But again, I have a plan for that one. That's pretty awesome. As well as these are super duper cute, but once again, backless and tie back here. So these are going to be combined into something as well. This one was just kind of on the bottom of the bag, and it absolutely kills me. And I genuinely have a hilarious refashion for this one, so that's going to be coming up. But look at this. Look at this, which I don't know what this would cover on me. Not a whole heck of a lot of coverage with this, but it's faux fur and it's little rainbow colored flowers, which is just so freaking adorable. So I do have a very quick and easy Refashionista project coming up for this, so stick around. But wow, I want to know, what would you guys make with all of these amazing crocheted tops? And also, Has the Karrot app arrived in your area of the world yet? And if not, I'll link down below and maybe send them an email and say, hey, we love Refashionista, Sheri. We want your app here so we can score all of these wonderful things like she does. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. And you know what else? Always keep up your passion for freaking refashion.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.